If you're considering buying Timely, there are 12 things you should know before making a decision. While it's a strong option for time management, there are a few details you should consider to make sure it's the right fit for your needs. First off, Timely uses a unique approach to tracking time. It automatically records everything you do on your devices, so you don't have to manually log your hours. Compared to competitors like Toggle or Harvest, which require you to start and stop timers manually, Timely's automatic tracking is more hands off. However, some users find it a bit too intrusive as it captures everything, even your web browsing. This can be a pro or a con depending on how much control you want. Next thing, Timely's biggest selling point is its AI powered system that suggests time entries. While it's an impressive feature, it does take some time to adjust and fine tune the AI. With tools like Clockify and Rescue Time, you don't have AI suggestions, but more straightforward tracking. The trade off with Timely is a learning curve, so if you're looking for something that's plug and play, you might find Timely a bit slow to adapt. The third thing to keep in mind is Timely's integration capabilities. It supports a range of apps, from project management tools to calendars, making it useful if you're already using multiple tools in your workflow. While other time tracking tools like Harvest offer integrations as well, Timely stands out with its smoother sync, but only if you're willing to dive into its settings to set it up. The fourth thing to consider is Timely's pricing structure. It can be a bit on the pricier side, especially for solo users. If you're working with a team, the price per user can quickly add up. Alternatives like Toggle or Clockify offer free plans with essential features, while Timely only provides a limited trial, so you might have to commit before getting a good feel for it. The fifth thing to note is the mobile experience. Timely works well on desktop, but its mobile app doesn't have the same level of smoothness. Competitors like Toggle and Clockify have more polished mobile apps, which might be important if you're often on the go. If mobile tracking is essential to you, you might want to look elsewhere. The sixth thing is its focus on tracking project time rather than just fillable hours. Timely can be great for teams working on different projects and needs detailed reports. However, if you're more concerned about invoicing and client billing, you might find something like Harvest better suited for that task, as it has a direct link between time tracking and invoices. Another thing to be aware of is how Timely handles reporting. It offers detailed reports, but the interface can be a bit overwhelming at first. Some users report a steep learning curve when trying to make sense of all the data, while competitors like Toggle offer simpler reporting options that may be easier to navigate for beginners. Next, you'll want to think about Timely support. While it's generally responsive, some users report slow response times, particularly during peak times. If fast customer service is a priority for you, you might want to test out their support channels before committing, especially compared to competitors like Clockify, which is known for quick responses. The ninth thing to know is the level of customization. Timely offers a range of customization options for reports, time entries, and more. However, the depth of customization can be overkill for someone who only needs basic features. If you just need simple tracking with minimal fuss, something like Toggle might suit you better. The 10th thing is Timely's calendar feature. It allows you to plan and schedule tasks, but it doesn't have as much flexibility as some of its competitors, like Monday.com or Trello, when it comes to organizing projects. If you're looking for a more robust project management tool that integrates time tracking, those alternatives might give you more options. The 11th thing is its user interface. Timely's design is sleek and modern, but some people find it cluttered. If you prefer a cleaner, more minimalistic design, tools like Toggle or Clockify might appeal to you more, as they focus on simplicity over feature richness. The last thing you should consider is its automation features. Timely's automatic tracking and AI are great for saving time, but they won't always capture every detail correctly. If you're the type of person who wants full control over every time entry, you might prefer a more manual tracking tool like Harvest. Overall, Timely is a solid option, particularly if you want something that handles everything automatically and offers AI-powered suggestions. However, if you're looking for something more intuitive or affordable, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. It might be a better fit for your needs,